Hello, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on this video. So in this video I'm working on a straw fascinator. So on this fateful day I was just running around in my place of work when I had a call from one of my customers that I should make a straw, any kind of fascinator. She said any kind of fascinator you can do within less than maybe 10 minutes. I want to get it down now. So I was like, straw is the fastest. So I had to call my customer to send me a straw hat. So he did send me a straw hat, a wristband, rose and feathers. So I had my thread and needle. Yeah, I always have my thread and needle with me. So now I had to do the entire work using my thread and needle because I didn't have any other thing to use. So in this video, if you look at what I'm doing very well, you see that I'm sewing everything. So I just had to style the straw fascinator, style the straw to my desired shape. Yes, take your time and style it. One thing about straw is that it is very flexible. You can actually get any style that you desire from a straw material. Yeah, so in this video I had to reduce the straw by pleating it. If you look at my hand very well, I'm pleating it. I just had to pleat it to reduce the size because my customer doesn't like big fascinators. So I use pleating to shorten the size. But one can also do this by cutting the straw. You remove the edge, maybe 1, 2 or 3 lines of the straw, then you still have a small size, as small as you desire. So after sewing sewing up the pleating, I had to attach my rose. This is the fabric rose that I used here. Attach the rose and the feathers, still using my thread and needle. So while using your thread and needle, you have to take your time and sew very well and neatly so that the thread does not show and then it doesn't pull off. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment if you find this interesting. So you have to take your time to sew it very well. As I said earlier, do not allow your thread to show so that somebody will not know that you use thread, and also your work will be very neat. So I had to take my time to do the sewing. This is what you should do. Remember, straw, I'm using straw millinery material here, one of the most flexible material that you can use to get any style that you desire. All you need to do, just shape it. Use your hand, use your thread, use your needle, just twist and turn it to whatsoever shape that you desire. This is a very simple fascinator that you can do in less than 10 minutes. In fact, if you are fast, in 5 minutes you can do it. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you. And this is it.